Hey there designers, welcome back to Astrodevs channel where we explore the ever-evolving world of design and creativity. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating journey of Figma, a design tool that has not only changed the way we create, but has also become a cornerstone in the collaborative design landscape. Founding and launch. Founded by Dylan Field and Ivan Wallace in 2012, Figma set out to create an inclusive web-based design tool. The public beta for Figma was unveiled in September 2015, introducing features like real-time collaboration and cloud-based storage.
Hold up, before we jump back into the video, we've got something exciting to share with you. Join our community and be part of something amazing. Choose your role, programmer, designer, or whatever sparks your interest. Share your work, get feedback, and collaborate with fellow members. Plus, get ready to join our upcoming project. But first, hop over to our Discord server for all the action. Subscribe now and join the Discord for updates.
2016. Prototyping and design systems. Figma expanded its capabilities in 2016 with the introduction of prototyping. The same year saw the integration of design systems, providing consistency across various design projects. 2018. Series C funding and growth. Demonstrating its rising popularity, Figma secured $25 million in a Series C funding round in 2018. The platform continued to evolve, focusing on new features and enhancements. 2019. Figma Community and plugins. Figma Community was launched in 2019, allowing users to share and explore design resources. The addition of plugins further expanded Figma's functionalities through third-party integrations. 2020. Remote collaboration emphasis. With the surge in remote work, Figma's real-time collaboration became indispensable for design teams globally. Figma emerged as a key tool for remote design collaboration in 2020. 2021. Design platform and Figma for education. In 2021, Figma positions itself as a comprehensive design platform offering expanded capabilities. Figma for Education was introduced, providing free access to its students and educators. 2022. Continued innovation. Throughout 2022, Figma maintained its status as a leading collaborative design tool, consistently innovating with updates. Regular enhancements reflected Figma's commitment to user feedback and industry trends. 2023. Dev Mode and variables. Dev Mode has become a new space in Figma for developers and features that help to translate designs into code faster. The launch of variables in Figma offers designers a new approach that helps them make their design more flexible and adaptable. 2024. AI. Figma announced that one of their goals in 2024 is to work more on AI and bring it to our designs. What do you think?